Hello and welcome back everybody. This is Hairstyle by Hris and today I'll be showing you how I did my daughter's hair using a simple hairstyle technique and a simple hairbrush to create this amazing hairstyle. We first went over with this beautiful little brush on her beautiful long hair. I sprayed her hair with Johnson's Baby for curls. This spray is called Johnson's Kids Curling Defining Leave-In Conditioner and it helps to moisture curly and textured hair. It's enriched with argan oil as well. And oh my god, it smells so good as well and it makes her hair look so shiny. It's amazing. It also allows me to brush her hair smoothly, which is something that I really enjoy and really like. This is not a promotion, it's just an advice. If you are looking into kids' products, these are very cheap products as well. And they definitely do help with my daughter's curly hair. I've got 2 daughters under the age of 6 and it really does help. So this simple hairstyle that I am showing you here is called a rubber band hairstyle, where I am just grabbing a section of hair from each side, putting a rubber band and then connecting it to a second one on the back. It might sound simple and it might look a bit simple, but it actually isn't that simple when you have to section long hair and ensure that all the sections are smooth. The best advice I could give is get a sectioning hairbrush that really helps you and suits you in order to create a hairstyle for your daughter. My daughters really enjoy rubber band hairstyles and they really like detailed hair styles. They enjoy braided hairs too, but in this tutorial, I wanted to just show you what we did for today. We were going out to the park, so they wanted something simple and they all wanted something the same. So in my next tutorials, I'll be showing you the exact same hairstyle on different hair, as my other daughters are younger than Mia. Now the sides of my daughter's hairs are a little bit complicated and they have a lot of hair. So to make this hairstyle look extra nice and sleek, I used some extra hair gel wax aqua. It's a professional hair studio shining hair gel wax. It creates an extra shine and it's pro style. It also ensures that all the hair is together and kept together. The results are great because I don't want my daughter's hairs to be everywhere on the sides of the where the ears are. So honestly, this is the best extra wax that I could recommend, but at this stage any hair wax would do. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.